most of the stuff we throw in our recycling bin doesn't actually get recycled? According to the EPA, 75% of all waste in the US is recyclable, but only 34% is actually getting recycled. One of the biggest problems is something we call wish cycling. It's when people throw the wrong thing into the recycling bin, well-intentioned, but not actually helping. We're talking about plastic grocery bags and containers with food left in it. It's not that they can't be recycled. It just makes things harder. They're lower quality plastic, which gunk up, get stuck, and contaminate recycling machines. So it's just better to avoid them altogether. I know. By now you're probably overwhelmed, and I get it, but I give you an easy way to remember. Every plastic has a small triangle with a number on it. Numbers 1 through 7 indicate the grade of plastic. And typically, 1, 2, 4, and 5 can always get recycled. Don't ask me why number 3 got left out. Because 3, 6, and 7 are actually really difficult or sometimes impossible to recycle. If I'm losing you, as far as what we put in our recycling bin, as a general rule of thumb, typically, hard plastics are a yes, and plastics that make noise are a no. In regards to the million plastic grocery bags that we bring home, sometimes a grocery store will recycle them for you. Now, the best thing to do is to bring your own reusable bag when you can. Let's be honest, it's hard to get away from plastics, but we can definitely help by choosing where they end up.